I wanted to do a unboxing of the Koios 7.8 quart air fryer. As you can tell, I kind of had to take it out of the box already because it is huge. This is what we'll be looking at. It comes with a basin and then the actual grid for it. Very convenient. Koios. As you can tell, very big. Here's the pan. Very deep. Here's this. Make sure your food's not sitting in the grease when it air fries. Perfect. Nice solid metal design, obviously. And here's the cavity. I said very large. Here's your heating element on top. And it uses a 2-prong, which is great because you do not need that grounding prong, so that's good. But yes, this is a short review of the Koios air fryer. Thank you.